Oh, get ready for greatness. Woo, there's a big difference in dual and single motor. This is more powerful than a lot of the electric bikes that I test. With two 1,000 watt motors, a 52 volt battery, and a 41 mile per hour top speed, is the Ausom Leopard DT1 Pro worth your hard-earned money? Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm back with another electric scooter review. As we always do, we're going to take it out of the box, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. Here she is, all put together, the DT1 Pro electric scooter. Two, as I said in the intro, two 1,000 watt motors. Love that. This will go up a 46-degree hill. That's the capability. Amazing. We have a 52 volt, 18.2 amp hour battery. And like I said, 41 miles per hour is your top speed. Your range is 47 miles. This is a forged aluminum frame. You have front and rear brakes with ABS, which is kind of a scooter's way of keeping you safe, okay? You have a swing arm suspension. So this is a little different. Look how this suspension, that's the swing arm. That's the swing arm. So this whole thing goes up and down as you're going over the bumps and everything on the road. These are 10-inch by 3-inch tires for all terrain. It's a foldable design, as you can see right here. Anti-slip wide deck. I love that. That will carry 265 pounds. This scooter weighs 68 pounds. On the handlebar, this is what you've got. Turn signals, single or dual motor switch right here, all right? You have a horn button right there. You have your power button, and then plus and minus for the controls. Okay, so we're going to give it power. Watch this. It's going to come to life. Look how good looking that is. And now it's looking for the NFC card. And you get these, okay? All you have to do is to kind of hold one right up here, and there it is. Look at that. Oh, battery, you're in park. Miles per hour already indicated right there. Sport. Look how it changes. And then race mode. Could you imagine race and then dual? See how it turns red? Dual. And you have a turn signal indicator. I think that's hilarious. And look, there you go on the front and the back of the scooters. Let's go to the left. Here you go. Front and then back right there. That's how you operate that. And then you have your brakes right here. This is one gorgeous scooter. And here's what you get in the box. Okay, you have your battery charger. You have this Swiss Army knife of toolkits that has everything you need. You get an extra little key right here, I guess for a bolt somewhere. You get a warranty card right there. You have your power cord. And then what I've been reading to figure out, you have your owner's manual. So, DT1 Pro, you're a good looking scooter. I cannot wait to ride you. It's actually raining right now. So we're going to take it out very, very soon. Woo! And yes, I think I'm going to wear my helmet. The absolute most perfect day has arrived to take the DT1 Pro out for a spin. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to hit our power button right here, do our little NFC card, and we are good to go. Okay, the battery is almost fully charged. And I can see it. It is daylight, and yet I can still see it. I got to tell you, I love the fact that I have turn signals. I just think that is the coolest thing ever. See, even in the daylight, they're bright. Okay, so we are in park. So let's go to eco mode and just have some fun. And we're off. We got these 10-inch by 3-inch all-terrain tires, providing a very nice ride. If I want to go off-road, I could. Look at this. This is 19, 20 miles an hour, and it's nothing. It's like nothing for this thing. Oh, she's a fun scooter. Brake. Oh, gosh. The brakes are fantastic. I'll tell you that. Yeah, first time I hit them. Woo! Now, these are hydraulic brakes. Oh, this is cool. They are dual hydraulic brakes. Once again, the capacity for this is 265 pounds. You can be 4'8" to 6'7" and enjoy this thing. Look at this go. All right, here we are. We're going to catch up with this Lexus. Now, this part of the test is for the suspension. This does have a dual suspension, which is great. I can kind of bounce on it and I can feel the suspension give. So I purposely go through the roughest part of the road. Oh gosh. And you got to be careful with this on the trigger. Whoa. Okay, let's go back to single motor. With dual motors, dual 1,000 watt motors, that's more than enough power that you will ever need. 41 mile per hour top speed. Heck yeah, heck yeah, heck yeah. And I can tell you, they've done a little work on the road, but it is still really rough. And this thing is just eating up all of the bumps. It really is. This is a comfortable ride. And if you look down, the deck right there, it's over 9 inches wide. So you've got room for both feet. You can even put, you know, a passenger on here if you wanted to. You just got to watch out for that max weight. The scooter itself weighs 68 pounds, which is not heavy, and it folds, which is fantastic. So the suspension test, flying colors. Absolute flying colors. This was such a joy to ride through that really, really rough terrain. Okay, so this is the single motor. And I'm going up my hill. I call this torque hill. Anything above 12 is a passing grade. We're going 19 right now. 18, 17, 15, 14. This is only half of the power. Let's kind of go down here. And we'll do this again. And we're going to go up to our dual motors. And I'm going to fly up this hill, I can tell you already. Yeah, this is, I'm loving the suspension. I really am. And like with other scooters, when you hit the brakes, on some of them it feels like the handlebar moves forward. It feels like the stem for the handlebar is loose. This is rock solid. So as I hit the brakes, I don't want to, you know, I'm not feeling like I'm going to fly over the top of the handlebars. This is nice. All right, we're going to go into dual. Get ready for greatness. All right, here we go. Oh gosh. Yeah, this wants to. Woo, there's a big difference in dual and single motor. 22, 23, 25, 26 miles an hour I'm going up this thing. This is okay, we're down to 25. This is more powerful than a lot of the electric bikes that I test. This is way more powerful. 24. Oh yeah. This will take you anywhere. Top speed 41 miles an hour. I don't want to see 41. I'm too old to see 41. That's 25 miles an hour right there. We have more than surpassed my expectations. I love this scooter. I really do. I'll tell you right now. It's just so well centered. There are no shakes, there's no rattles. Sometimes on a scooter, you can feel like the alignment is off a little bit because the front, you know, as you pick up speed, the front wants to kind of go like this. It wants to wobble a little bit. Nope, not with this one. These wheels are dead on. Whoa. Let's go back to single motor. Yeah, I would say if you're taking this off-road, you want single motor. On the streets, yeah, dual is where you need to be. But this thing, holy moly, this is fun. And I love the look. We got the light. You can also charge your phone. There is a port for a USB cable so you can charge your phone. And there's even a place for your AirTag so you can keep your scooter safe. They don't provide the AirTag. You can do that yourself. Let's go ahead and grade the DT1 Pro on fit, form, and function. Fit, how it came out of the box, how it was packed. perfection. It didn't move an inch. There's no damage during the shipping at all. So absolutely, we're going to give it an A for fit. Form, the way it looks, well, I love it. I love this big look right here, the big chunky look behind the front tire. That's fantastic. You get a little extra place right here for your feet, which is fantastic. You have fenders front and back. It's just a very mechanical Mad Max kind of a look, which I think is just really, really terrific. So we're going to give it an A for form. For function, yes, you have everything that you need. The LCD screen is beautiful. It is bright. You have the light right here. You have a port to charge right underneath the light right here. So if you want to charge your phone, you can add an adapter so the phone goes right up here on the handlebar. That's that. You can fold it very, very easily, which means you can put it in your car wherever you want. Okay, this comes out right here. Yeah, all you have to do is put this little piece up right here. This catches your handlebar, and then there you go, 68 pounds. It's not too heavy. I mean, it's not the lightest scooter, but once again, you have two motors right there. So release this, this comes down, this goes back in, and you're ready for another ride. So if you want something that is mobile, something that is powerful, yeah, this is something you need to look at. 41 mile per hour top speed, 47-mile range, and yes, dual motors. Yeah, function, I was smiling. It's kind of chilly out here. I went for another lap, didn't even film it because it's just so much fun to ride. So we're giving it an A for function, and of course, overall, absolutely. The Ausom DT1 Pro gets an A+ because everything was perfect. This awesome scooter is awesome. All right, everybody, the price, $11.99 right now. If I can get a discount code, I'll put that in the description below. But once again, check it out for a dual motor, dual suspension. Here you go. Look at this. Yeah, there's your dual suspension right there. So if you want some more information on this, we're going to have everything you need in the description below the video right here. Price $11.99, which for a dual motor scooter is right on. It is very inexpensive, and you get a lot for your money, okay? Thanks to everybody from Ausom for sending me this. Thank you for watching this review video. We're back with another one very, very soon, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.